Today, you're gonna learn something good. Your English is gonna get better, and we're gonna have some fun. Hi everyone, I'm Scott from That's English School. This is the first video in a series of 5, where we're talking about reductions. These will help your language sound more casual, it makes it shorter, and it's altogether more friendly. Here is today's lineup. Now, we're going to start with how to use going to. Next, how to use gonna. After that, 2 points of advice. And finally, I will give you 10 example sentences of how to use gonna. Let's talk about how to use going to. Now, going to is used when you're talking about definite plans in the future. Here is the basic structure of how to use going to. Now, basically you have the be verb plus going to and the main verb. So for example, I am going to go shopping. I am going to go shopping. Okay? So you can see I am, you are, he is, she is, they are, we are, John is, it is. It's all the same pattern. Here is a key point. See the key point down here? Don't forget to use the be verb. Some people forget, so just don't forget. I am, he is, going to. Don't forget. Okay, here is an example sentence. I am going to take a shower when I get home. The negative pattern. Now this is when you're using not. So basically it's the same as before, but you say, I am not going to go shopping, for example. So the key point, as you can see from the box down here, you always put not before going to. Here is another example sentence. I'm not going to have dinner tonight because I had a big lunch. Let's talk about making questions with going to. So in this case, because it's a question, the be verb is switched over. So you say, are you going to? Now the key point for making questions is the same as the first point. Don't forget, look at the box down here, don't forget to use the be verb. Here is an example sentence. Are you going to study English today? I hope so. How do you make gonna? It's very easy. First you have going to, and then you take away the ing and the to, they disappear, and you bring in nna. So gonna, 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 gonna. It's easy. Let's talk about how to use gonna in a sentence. So basically it's the same as going to. So you have the be verb, gonna, and the main verb. You can see down the list, I'm gonna, she is gonna, we are gonna, they're gonna, plus the main verb. The key point is, if you see down here, because this is a very casual way of speaking, the be verb is very often reduced. So you can say, I'm gonna, he's gonna, she's gonna, we're gonna, John's gonna. So it's the reduced and more casual form. Okay, for example, I'm gonna buy a book tomorrow. The negative form of gonna. So it's the same as going to. You put the not before gonna. So I'm not gonna go. She's not gonna go. But you can see the way I'm saying that there, the T, which is in the not part, the T is a very soft T. So we say, I'm not gonna. She's not gonna. He's not gonna. We're not gonna. Okay? It just seems more casual and more friendly to say not gonna. For example, she's not gonna get married in a church. She's not gonna get married in a church. Making questions using gonna. Okay, now it's the same as before. You just get the be verb and switch it over. So for example, is he gonna? Are you gonna? Are we gonna? Is John gonna? Okay? But because this is a key point, look down here. Remember, because you're using the be verb, you cannot use the reduced form. So you have to say, is he gonna? Are we gonna? You cannot reduce the be verb. That's a key point. Okay, here's a little example. Is it gonna rain tomorrow? Is it gonna rain tomorrow? My first piece of advice is be careful about the situation. So you shouldn't use this in any situation. Gonna is very casual. So you shouldn't use it in like a business situation or maybe even school or academic situation. When you don't know the people, it can come across as being disrespectful, perhaps uneducated, or maybe even a little immature and childish. So unless you know the people pretty well, please use going to. That's the safe bet. Here is my second piece of advice. Now, this may go against all the rules that you've heard so far since you've been learning English, but when you're using gonna to sound more casual, maybe more cool, you can drop part of the be verb. So here's a few examples for you. He gonna come to the party? You gonna buy it? Steve gonna be late? Now here is a little bonus corner for you. Did you know that gonna is such a popular and common word? It's used in so many songs, okay? So because of copyright and all kinds of legal implications, I can't let you hear the actual songs, but I'm going to give you a little list of 5 songs which I think are pretty cool. A really famous one for me is, who are you gonna call? Ghostbusters! Dun, 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 dun. Have you heard of that one before? Maybe I'm showing my age. Yeah, I'm not so young anymore. Probably you young people are saying, what is he talking about? What is Ghostbusters? It's time for some example sentences. I'm gonna watch TV tonight. She's gonna go shopping after work. It's gonna be a hot day tomorrow. Are you gonna eat that last piece of pizza? I'm not gonna go on summer vacation this year. This concert is gonna be amazing. Whew. He's not gonna start his diet until Monday. Are you gonna buy the new iPhone? Yeah, I think I'm gonna take a rain check. Well, I'm not gonna go to that restaurant again. That was the first video about reductions. Today, we talked about going to becoming gonna. Now, part 2 in the next video, we're going to be talking about wanna. We're gonna talk about wanna. Gonna, wanna, gonna, wanna. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. I hope you wanna watch it.